Hi, Handball. You coming to inspect? You coming to be cute? Oh my goodness. They're so cute when they greet each other. Whoa, what the heck, guys? Oh, Luke, you don't need to go off and fight with the tomcat, I promise. Luke! Luke! Goober. What are you doing? What are you doing? Look at him. He'd be a hunting dog if he were bigger. Yeah. He just heard the tomcat. Yeah, he's right where you left him. Let's go see if we can find him before you do. Hi, Gray. Yeah. You want some food? Come on, let's go up. Yes, you are the protector of your house, Luke. Doing my best to trap and neuter the tomcat population. Yeah, you want some food? Hi. Is that where you're taking shelter? Yeah. All right, we'll get you fed before it gets dark out here, cat. He wants to be trusting, but he's not.